Welcome to Book Club. My name is Brad Brighton.
I'm Arnaldo Aparicio.
I'm Devin Pile.
Hi, I'm Sierra Tucker.
I'm Mallory Vining.
And I'm Eric Chon. We created Book Club as a way for people to connect. Our application is a full Ruby on Rails tech stack, fully tested with our spec, using tools like Bootstrap for CSS, Postman for testing endpoints, as well as being deployed to Heroku.
Book Club uses the Google Books API for our resource of books and the Quotes API for extra user enjoyment. These are consumed through our backend Rails API application, combined with our own relational database through Postgres to provide the Book Club API.
Our front-end Rails application consumes the Book Club API, and this sets up the user interface. Let's take a look at our user demographic.
Howdy! My name is Brad. I'm a stay-at-home parent of two with a passion for reading. Recently, I've been looking for a way to unwind and connect with others.
Hello, I'm Devin, and I'm a full-time student. I can really benefit from being able to reference and look up details to a book easily.
Hi, I'm Mallory, and I work full-time, but I've been wanting to take my reading to the next level.
Now, let's get registered. Users can register or log in to the Book Club app using Google OAuth. This means no sensitive user data is persisted to our database, keeping their information more secure.
My friend told me about this app, and they said it's super easy to make a club and invite my friends. All I need to do is pick a book and get started.
SADpath and edge case testing throughout has made for a pleasant user experience.
Now that I've picked my book, I can create a book club and invite other existing users. Once the club is created, I can see the book information and a section for discussion where I can begin the riveting conversation about Dune.
While I'm going to school full-time, it's nice to be able to use an app where I can get details to a book quick and easy, whether I'm logged in as a user or just exploring the site as a guest.
This particular student happens to be studying web development. If they or any other programmer look through the Book Club documentation, they find clear, easy-to-follow instructions to obtain personal API keys, see what API endpoints are available, and other important info such as gems and versions.
All right, now that I'm logged in, I can see that I've been invited to a new book club, and I can see comments made about the book. And I can make a comment as well to continue the discussion.
In exposing our API, we created endpoints that maximize the user experience now, while being mindful of future developments that could be added without disrupting this core foundation.
I love reading, but don't have time to schedule an in-person book club. I use this app to find my next read and participate in discussions. I like this app because it's easy to use. I see the comments from other users and a button to make my own.
Using an agile workflow with sprints, work spikes, and paired programming, our team worked cohesively to achieve a clear goal. When deciding on Book Club's minimal viable product, we decided to keep simplistic features as proof of concept that will eventually grow into stretch goals, such as implementing the SendGrid API for invitations and update emails, as well as adding a bookshelf to save book collections and many others.
If I want to track this book, but don't want to invite other users, I don't have to. I actually don't want to start a discussion around this particular book, but I do want to keep some notes for thoughts I've had. Book Club allows me to keep my own notes for a book without having to interact with other users.
When this all began, we were inspired by a quote. "You will be the same person in 5 years as you are today, except for the people you meet and the books you read." We feel our team has successfully created an application to connect people through a resource of books. Through a well-organized, highly communicative process, we created an application that we feel can have an immediate impact in building community with the potential to expand and include a number of our stretch goals. We'd like to offer special thanks to all of our judges, our project manager, and everybody watching at home. With that, we look forward to turning the next page. Thank you.